Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the basics so you save time later. First, open Settings and note the Android and Realme UI version. This matters for known bugs. Next, test the brightness slider and turn adaptive brightness off then on to reset sensors. Once done, reboot the phone. If the issue persists, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps. These steps isolate software versus hardware causes, and they set you up for targeted fixes in the next stage. Now you dive into the hands-on fixes. Clear cache for display and system UI and app info, then force stop and restart system UI to refresh settings. This fixes many glitches. Make sure you calibrate the ambient light sensor by running a sensor test app, exposing the sensor to uniform light and dark conditions. That helps the phone learn correct readings. Also, update system, Google Play services, and Realme apps so firmware mismatches don't cause. Finish by escalating carefully. Back up your data, then perform a factory reset if software causes remain. This removes deep settings corruption. If resetting fails, inspect the display and ambient light sensor for physical damage or loose connectors. Hardware faults need a repair shop. One quick troubleshooting tip: create a new user profile and test brightness there. If it works, the problem is a corrupted profile, not hardware. Make sure to document what you changed, so technicians or support can reproduce the issue if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.